Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to open Desert Financial online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link olb.desertfinancial.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Desert Financial. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, over here you'll be able to find the option for register. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the registration interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: register my individual account, register my business account. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I've clicked on the option individual account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to start creating the online banking account for yourself. First of all, what you have to do is simply read these terms and conditions. Simply scroll down, read these informations very carefully. After doing that, what you have to do is check on this box, I agree. Now continue option will be activated. Click on it. Now you'll have to confirm your identity. Simply provide these informations that you can see right over here on your screen. Click on the field of member number. Now simply enter the member number over here. Make sure to enter the correct member number. Likewise, enter your SSN or TIN over here. Click on this field and enter your social security number. Make sure to enter the correct social security number. Likewise, what you have to do is enter your first name and last name. Click on the field of first name and enter the first name over here. Likewise, also enter your last name. Now also enter your date of birth over here. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the day and enter the month. Now also enter the zip code over here. Make sure to enter the correct zip code. You can also enter your email if you want. This is completely optional. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be led to other steps. In other steps, what you have to do is verify your identity, provide the required information to confirm your identity. Also create a username and password for yourself. Simply create a very unique username and a very strong password. After doing that, step 5 is to receive and enter the temporary password. You'll receive a temporary password via email or text. Enter this password to authenticate your account. Now after your account has been authenticated, you can confirm the contact information. Verify your contact details such as phone number and email address. Now once you do that, you'll be able to start using online banking. You can simply log in and begin managing your account online. The important notes are that you need to ensure your credit report is not locked or frozen before starting the online application. Also make sure to have your driver's license or other government issued ID ready. So like this, you'll be able to create the online banking account. So that is how you open Desert Financial online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.